Ever wondered what it's like to cook with gadgets that seem like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie? Buckle up, because today we're diving into 10 kitchen gadgets that aren't just cool, they're game changers. These are the tools that will transform your cooking experience and make you feel like a tech-savvy chef. From smart appliances to futuristic gizmos, each of these gadgets brings something extraordinary to your kitchen. Let's get started. Imagine having one kitchen appliance that can do the job of 8 different devices. The Smart Wi-Fi Instant Pot makes that a reality. It combines a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, cake maker, sauté pan, steamer, and warmer all in one sleek gadget. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor your cooking from your smartphone, ensuring that your meals are cooked to perfection without any hassle. It's not just a pot, it's a kitchen revolution. Next up, we have the Smart Chopping Board, and this gadget is packed with features. It's not just a chopping board, it comes with a built-in weight scale, timer, knife sharpener, and even a knife cleanser. It's like having a mini kitchen assistant right on your countertop. Whether you're measuring ingredients, keeping track of cooking time, or ensuring your knives are sharp and clean, this board does it all. It's a complete kitchen station in one sleek design. Do you know about automatic butter sprayer? This handy gadget melts and sprays butter in a fine mist, ensuring every bite is perfectly coated. Whether you're making popcorn, toast, or greasing a pan, this little device takes the mess and hassle out of the equation, giving you evenly distributed buttery goodness every time. Now, here's something that'll make breakfast time a whole lot more fun, especially if you have kids or just love a creative breakfast. The 3D Pancake Printer lets you print pancakes in any shape or design you can imagine. Whether it's characters, landmarks, animals, or even your initials, this gadget brings an artistic touch to your morning routine. And don't worry, it's easy to use. Just pour in the batter, choose your design, and watch the magic happen. Precision is key in cooking, and the digital measuring spoon ensures you get it right every time. This gadget combines the simplicity of a spoon with the accuracy of a digital scale, allowing you to measure ingredients down to the last gram or milliliter. Perfect for baking or any recipe that requires exact measurements, this tool will help you elevate your cooking to a professional level. How many times have you struggled to open a stubborn jar? With the automatic jar opener, that's a problem of the past. Just place it on the lid, press a button, and let it do the work for you. Whether it's a jar of pickles or a bottle of jam, this gadget makes opening even the most difficult lids effortless. No more straining or asking someone else for help. Cooking meat to the perfect temperature is no easy feat, but the Smart Meat Thermometer takes out the guesswork. This gadget connects to your smartphone and alerts you when your steak, chicken, or roast has reached the ideal temperature. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, you can ensure your meat is cooked to perfection every time, without ever having to cut into it. If you love pizza as much as I do, this next gadget is going to blow your mind. The rotating pizza oven ensures even cooking and a perfectly crispy crust by rotating your pizza continuously as it bakes. You get that authentic, pizzeria quality pizza right in your kitchen. Whether you're making a classic margarita or experimenting with your own toppings, this gadget delivers delicious, evenly cooked pizza every time. Toasters have been around forever, but this smart toaster with touchscreen is on a whole new level. With its digital touchscreen, you can choose from a variety of settings to get your toast just the way you like it: light, medium, or extra crispy. It even has presets for bagels, English muffins, and more. Plus, it's smart enough to remember your preferences, so your morning routine just got a whole lot easier. And last but certainly not least, we have the multi-purpose breakfast station. Imagine having a coffee maker, toaster, and griddle all in one compact unit. This gadget is perfect for small kitchens or anyone who wants to streamline their morning routine. You can brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or bacon simultaneously, making breakfast a breeze. So, which of these next-level kitchen gadgets do you think would make the biggest difference in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments below.